May I Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2.
Hmm.
This matter has been listed today wrongly because this was already fixed on 16th of June.
Hmm.
Previous date and Justice Robin Pukon sir, verbally, this is not reflected in order, but verbally Pukon sir has been
If it is not
fixed.
reflected, or how do we believe?
Lordship, the senior was appeared on that day.
Your Lordship, I have been telephonically asked to fix the matter on 16, Your Lordship. By
Who has asked you to list the matter?
pardon,
You
Your
list
Lordship.
it then? Who has asked you to list
It's
the
already
matter?
fixed.
Mr. Prokasti, Your Lordship.
So get it listed. Why to make a mention? He has been asked to list it. Get it listed whenever you want.
No, Lordship. Without.
Anyway. Pick it up 16.
Okay.
Fix on 16. You want
16th of
get it-
June. Yes.
what do- 16.
16, 1 6
Yes.
16.
Obviously, not 60. There cannot be
1
60.
6 16, Lordship.
Yes, on the prayer of MS,
Dirilong.
dear learned counsel for the respondent, and prayer not being objected to by Mr. Wairam, London State Council. List this matter on 16/06/22.
My
Like-
God.
May I please?
Yes,
Lordship, I make item number 6, Lordship.
6.
Here, for learned AG is appearing. And we have received a reply filed by the other party.
Any objection? They are
have-
objecting.
Yes, my lord.
You are objecting.
Yeah, my lord. So,
You want to flare up the issue.
no, my lord.
You want that the should be flared up.
No, my lord. My
It's
lord will.
reasonable, it's next time. Wait for some time. Let them have the proper procedure. Whatever the law is, it's for this, I mean, the people. It's for the citizen.
No, my lord. My
If someone, I mean, wish, it has to be for the people only, citizen.
no, my lord. That
Anyway, when you want?
20th, I have objection, my lord.
28.
The issue is only there's a frame extension of time, my lord. For that, my lord, this
Run them
so long.
8 months.
That will be too long, oh, my lord. Let it-
Why inclined to grant? Well, the reality has to be taken into consideration.
My lord, my humble understanding, my lord,
Of
ultimately,
course, we don't go by. all this.
ultimately, it should be the rule of law, my lord. Now,
Yes.
rule of law say,
Yes.
my lord, it should be the rule of law, my lord. Now, rule of
Obviously.
law mandate them
We're
to,
not going to decide the complicacy in this petition. They are seeking for a extension of time.
so extend, now, legislation is of 1978, my lord.
Doesn't
Now
make a
say-
difference.
78 now, they're on their own,
What do you want?
they have,
We'll hear you. What do you want?
I'm saying, they are seeking for July, my lord. That's why I let it be a 1
July.
week, my lord.
July. Why?
He'll be appearing in this case. So
He's not coming before July.
on 17th, I think.
17, my
Whenever
lord.
he's here.
17, my lord.
But we incline to grant time. We just cannot.
Maybe my lord will recall my objection, my lord. I have a serious objection.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Estapit Ladet, Senior Government Advocate, item 6, huh? List this matter. No, not on the prayer. Mr. Estapit Ladet, Senior Government Advocate, submits that in this matter, Ladet Advocate General will be appearing. List of, therefore, the matter may be listed, matter will be listed on 17/06/2025. List of next period, although Mr. El Perme, learned counsel for the respondent, vehemently opposed the prayer for adjournment, considering that the learned advocate general is indisposed today, let this matter be listed on 17.
Oh, yes, my
We'll hear you on the day.
lord. I'm sorry.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 7, my lord.
What is 7?
On behalf of Deep Angin, I'm a case query.
Okay.
There are one more appeal. It
Yeah.
has been disposed of.
Lordship, 7, 8 is connected, Lordship, today.
That's right. These are two.
Yes,
There's
Lordship.
one more appeal.
Oh, that I have no idea, Lordship.
Okay. So the same.
Why final?
But depends, of course, main accused and depends. It depends on the case to case. Today was no. Okay. That's it, yeah.
Right? No, no.
My
What do you
lord,
want?
Deep Angin is supposed to hear, my lord. However, due to medical emergency, he is returned back, my lord.
Huh?
Deep Angin is supposed to come today, my lord. However, due to medical emergency, he returned back.
Next week,
Yes, my lord, next week.
Mr. M. Doji, learned counsel, appearing of Mr. Deepangi, learned amicus curiae in these matters, submits them. Due to medical emergency, Mr. Pangin, then amicus curiae had to leave the court premises, therefore press for listing of the letter on. Then after a week,
My lord,
after a week, praise the Lord, this matter after a week, along with criminal appeal 18 of 2000. Criminal appeal 18 of 2019.
my lord, item number 1 also, my lord.
Huh? Just wait.
And Lordship, on the next question, 7
Yeah,
and
yes.
after number.
1 minute. Sorry. Yes.
मतलब item number 1 है सो मैंने
Yes. Item number 1.
yes मैंने same order maybe pass मैंने
Same. Panging, Mr. Panging.
yes मैंने
Mr. So and so, same order, due to medical emergency. Next week.
after a week
Okay.
all right
Yes, sir.
My lord, there is a caveat in this case, my lord.
Yes.
The caveator yesterday, one local lawyer was here. Then we said that there will difficulty in taking to accept the copy.
Hmm.
So we have sent it by email to the lawyer, WhatsApp to the lawyer. And accordingly, this is the WhatsApp conversation which has taken place.
Hmm.
Now the copy is there.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of PK Tiwari, sir.
Aviator.
Aviator,
Aviator.
sir. Yes.
Yes. You have received the copy.
No, we have not received the
No.
copy.
No, let's see one. I'll tell what has happened, man. Yesterday, when Mr. Sharma was there, Anshuman Sharma was there, then I think Dicky has served the copy, but they refused to take the copy.
No.
And
This is not-
ultimately, we have sent it by WhatsApp in the evening at 9:30. And we have given in WhatsApp, there is a chat. We said that you have not received. So they said how it is possible to receive at 9:30. So yes, by email, the scanning also, it is acceptable. So we have sent it, ultimately they have received. But a prayer has been made by the council in the WhatsApp that if it is not inconvenient, take up on Wednesday, next Wednesday, take up the matter. Now, the only difficulty here is there is no problem. Only difficulty is that the operative portion of the order, it's a matter regarding a contract. Your lordship will hear the other side. Your lordship will not pass any order without hearing the other side. The only difficulty is what I find in this case, that today if a status quo is not been maintained, they may try to comply with the court's order. That's the only difficulty. This is a contract, my lord.
When was the date of order? Judgment and order?
Yes. Judgment and order is at
20.
yes.
There's a time.
Uh,
You have
on
filed the appeal within time. They should wait
23/5.
for some time.
23/5.
It should be within 45 days.
We have yes.
You
No,
have filed
only
the appeal within
no,
time.
no,
Please.
no, within time. My only afraid is that within 45 days, any moment they can, within 45 minutes, any moment they can go ahead. That's the
When
only
the-
difficulty.
Period of appeal. Mr. Permit,
They will not go ahead. That's the only thing, my lord. Absolutely no problem.
why not, since you are not hearing, taking up the matter, they have agreed that it should be listed, take on Wednesday. We'll hear them
Well, let it be on Friday. Wednesday not possible.
Friday. You
Friday.
agree with?
Yes, Friday.
See, don't go for all technicalities thing. It's technological age.
Yes.
Since one of your counsel has refused, and then it has been said, how trouble, your friend, your colleague might have taken yesterday to send this
My lord.
voluminous
Voluminous.
appeal. So you should understand.
My lord.
It may happen to you also tomorrow. You
Well,
never know.
we normally, my lord,
It should not be a
we
problem.
try to adjust because
Yes.
it is our colleagues. Sometimes there may be difficulty on this side. Equally, there is a difficulty which I travel all along. I made it very that the other side should receive the copy. Then only we move forwards. Now, this
Friday.
is the only difficulty. Otherwise, no difficulty, my lord.
Friday.
Friday.
Yes. Next coming Friday,
See,
my lord.
you
Not
have
this
filed
Friday.
a caveat.
Yes.
You have filed a caveat. You should be more vigilant and you should be more alert. It's not just to prevent taking up the matter.
My lord.
As if the caveat is to preempt.
No.
It's not the, real, the intent and purpose of the caveat. Should be alert,
Noted,
it should be
noted.
ready, as in when it is filed, you should be ready for, argue the matter.
No, sometimes we receive copy in the evening also.
Mm.
You have to appear for court in the morning also.
The
The
prob-
only the extent to the extent of interim order is being heard by the court.
So we'll not pass any order today unless
Yeah.
you hearing, we cannot pass any order. We'll just adjourn the matter
Yes,
as agreed to by learned counsel.
yes, yes.
And Mr. Preme, don't do
Well, only
anything.
your lordship will
Don't
get.
complicate the matter yourself. Because
Only-
they have any person,
Only
they have
how-
the 30 days time to file an appeal, right? So they have, this appeal has been filed within time. So wait for some time. Let us hear it.
well, no, they are the government.
That's what I'm saying.
It's the government.
The government has to do it, no?
Yes.
That's
So
what I'm
I
asking.
am asking my learned friend through your lordship that they should not go ahead with that for within 45 days. They
That's
should.
exactly what I am trying to.
Yes, yes, correct, my
But
lord.
we're
Correct.
not passing any order.
No, no,
Without
but
hearing,
they-
we will not pass
We
it.
should not
We're not
go
passing
ahead
any
with that.
order.
with the exercise which has been.
Otherwise,
already
if
has
the
been passed.
parties, if you are ready, we're ready to hear, no issue.
Yes, any order, my lord, whether it would be possible from my side to extend them, my lord, to appreciate that place.
We don't know. We just want you to don't make it complicated.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you know that this has been filed and caveat has also been, and there's a, just because they refuse to accept the copy,
In the night time, it has been sent. through
maybe
WhatsApp.
correct or not, but then they have already sent and they're seeking time. So just we are accommodating. Otherwise, we are not able to hear the matter today also. Friday, when, which Friday?
28, 20.
20.
Yes.
You have agreed?
I have agreed. They said on last,
My lord, I have been directed to list for tomorrow, but if
you are saying whatever, last time also we accommodate, my lord. It's not
Because-
that, it is not so easy to again go back, again come back, my lord. And that is why we made it very sure that by
Sir,
WhatsApp.
kindly
we'll
have
tell.
a word with your, with Mr. Tiwari.
yes,
Let us not make it complicated and unnecessary. Can you have a word with him? We'll take it after 5 minutes.
Because
We
it will
don't-
be easier. for
Tomorrow
him-
also we are ready.
No, no, it will be
Any day.
easier for him to come today from Guwahati. Yesterday I came and I made it very sure that he receives copy. I will not come just like that, my lord. He receives copy. And 9:30 when the Mr. Dickey came and I said, please WhatsApp at least in it so that he can get the copy. And it is received because we have received the WhatsApp chat. He said, yes, we have received, but it is difficult.
Okay, sir, we'll take it up on Friday, next
Right.
Friday.
Coming
Next
Friday
Friday,
is
next
28th. They will also get time. They can adjust.
I will convey.
28th. My lord, they will get time. I'll
No,
talk
no,
with
convey, we're not concerned. We're just fixing it since we
on
are.
20 man, and I will convey to Mr. Tiwari that him also. I have adjusted my.
On the prayer of Mr. D. Das, the senior counsel. And as agreed to by the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. P.K. Tiwari.
My lord, only one
For the
request is being
petitioner,
made. Sorry for troubling.
Learned counsel for the caveat. And also Mr. L. for Learned standing counsel for power department. List this matter on 2006-2020.
My lord, only one request is humble request is being made. Let the prayer comes from their side that we have received copy. They have received the copy yesterday. That only your lordship by WhatsApp. Well, it's WhatsApp is there. I will not say something which is not on record, my. Kindly, my lord will kindly look into it.
Then ulta kar dena. You just write it all. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. P.K. Tiwari, learned senior counsel for the caveat. And as agreed to by Mr. D. Das, learned senior counsel and Mr. So-and-so, list this matter so-and-so.
Yes.
You have agreed, he has prayed.
Yes, that is right. And only one request that the government should not go ahead. Why they made a complication?
No,
They
we're
should
not
not go
passing
ahead.
any order. Look into it. Just see to that it doesn't complicate. Is it being very simple? They have filed the appeal within 30 days. And you have been, the learned signal has directed to do it within 45 days. You have a time. Okay,
I'm
okay.
depressed.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, the petitioner has been instructed to take steps upon respondent number.
May Lordship. Lordship, I am for respondent number, private respondent number 7, Lordship.
Yes,
Yes,
7.
7.
Which you have
7 and
not
8.
filed any affidavit.
No, Lordship. Still, Justice Service could not complete it because I have to send to the Turbine. That's why, Lordship.
I have filed also.
The government has filed
What is
their.
your stand?
Whatever complaints, the names they have given, we have taken steps, Lord.
Their statement, Lordship, I have gone
Who is
through the.
8? Who is Bumkin Pale?
Lordship,
What is going to
that
do
is
it?
7, Lordship. I am for 7, Lordship.
No, I'm on 8, respond 8.
For 8, Lordship, I need some more time.
8.
Because
To take
I-
Dusty.
that's the yes. I have already sent the copy.
Okay.
Lordship, A 7 and 8 are represented today.
Yes.
8.
So what is to be done?
Lordship,
Huh? Uh, um, although office note dated 09/0/2025 indicates that no affidavit has been filed with regard to the proof of justice service. Come on, Mr. Upon respondent number 8. Mr. T. Gadi, learned counsel today. Learned counsel enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 8. And he has accepted the notice. Mr. It is. Yeah, no, Mr. G at Learned, additional senior government advocate has submitted that she has already filed the affidavit on behalf of the state. Mr. On the prayer of Mr. G. Baum and Mr. T. Gadi, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 7 and 8. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
And I have a small prayer, Lordship. In the meantime, I have order may be passed, direction may be issued. So my prayer number 3, Lordship. Lordship, I have made a prayer directing the respondent authority to conduct a comprehensive survey of the entire town area. And list may be prepared who has encroached the government land, who and who has the allot.
They have already filed the.
Lordship, they have filed the affidavit in respect of the private respondent number 7 and 8. That entire documents that I have annexed. Now they are saying that we are already under process of the Act 2003, Arunachal Pradesh Premises Act 2003. The process has been initiated against the private respondent 7 and 8 only. So my fear is, Lordship, for the protection of the Turbine Township land. When we have filed a RTA application, Lordship, regarding the list of the allottees, they provide only the 17 in numbers. And rest of the entire land that are under the illegal occupation of the individuals. But the government is still, they could not identify and could not locate those individuals.
My paragraph 12, we have said 10% for the entire encroachers, Lordship, in the Turbine Township area. 50% of that encroachment, Lordship. It has started, Lordship.
Then Lordship, may I humbly pray that list may be,
They need some more time.
Okay.
after completion of identification, Lordship,
on
may I
the-
humbly pray that list may
Then
be.
in that case, first K. Lolen, Mr. K, not Mr. K. Lolen,
Say
initial.
para 12. They have
And you write-
initiated
On the perusal of the affidavit filed on behalf of
3, 4, and Lordship.
respondent number 4, 5, and 6. Para?
Para 12, Lordship. But they have said that accordingly actions already initiated against such cases.
Identification of
the-
such other enforcements.
in
the department.
Perusal of the so and
Where
so,
some of the.
so and so indicates that there are some encroachment of the government land in the Township. And for identification of such encroachments, the other encroachment department requests from on the next date, the respondents to place the list of encroachment, encroacher within the Township. You find it out and work it out and place the list.
Yes. Much obliged.
May please, your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, in this matter, lordship, the notice was issued on respondent number 6 and 7, but as per office note dated 9/6/25, the service report is awaited, lordship.
we'll wait for some time. We'll wait for some time.
Yes, lordship.
Ever service report list after 4 weeks.
Lordship, kindly it be 2 weeks, lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks.
Yes, lordship.
3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Man,
Yes.
what should I beg to mention? Item number 20.
20.
Yes,
Yes.
lordship, here the conducting officer Ada for the respondents. He's come with some illness, so he couldn't come, lordship. Kindly this matter may be taken up on 20 of this month.
IA
Yes, lordship.
on the prayer set. So and so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A, the learned counsel for the respondent, opposite
Yes,
party.
yes.
Opposite party respondent. List this matter after
On 20 of this month.
2 weeks. After a week.
Fixed date, lordship, kindly.
Why?
Lordship, he is from Guwahati, lordship.
120 cents.
Obliged.
It should be please, your lordship. Mention item number 4. That has been listed for motion, your lordship. Item number 4.
Yes.
My lord, may I pray that the matter may be listed tomorrow, your lordship, Mr.
Why?
Pang.
We're
Yes.
taking it up today.
My lord,
Already there is a order of this, I mean, there's an order of this court.
yes, your lordship, there
You
is
appear, we'll issue notice.
already, your lord- and I also beg to mention item number 27, your lordship, in the case.
Item?
27,
27.
hearing matter, yes.
Huh?
Item number 27, your
What is
lordship.
there?
My lord, Mr. Panging was supposed to appear in this matter,
Appear,
your
we'll
lordship.
not adjourn, we'll take it up.
My lord, can this matter be taken up
What
tomorrow?
is
your
this? Gawabura decided something and
Yes,
you,
Lordship.
who is his for the district? PP? Which for is the item 27? What allowing the writ petition? Will set aside the FIR. What is there? Is it head Gawabura wrongly or he has taken a decision? Why don't appeal against that? What's there? Have you gone through? Have you gone through the file?
Estapin will appear in this case, your
Huh?
lordship. Estapin will appear.
Tell him, we'll take it up.
Lordship. Obliged, your lordship.
Do you have the brief?
Yes, your lordship.
You prepare now? If you have not.
Your lordship, I beg
Yes.
to mention item number 28, lordship.
20?
28.
28?
Item number 28.
Yes.
Lordship, can this matter be taken up after we got 2 weeks? lordship?
Why?
I have difficulty today in that problem.
See, will not interfere the disciplinary proceedings. All right, but suspension you cannot.
Lordship, if in that case,
Can this matter be taken up next week, Lordship? I have difficulty today.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, we have filed that.
Okay. Next week, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. MSG at London Additional Senior Government Advocate, list this matter.
Your Honor, I'm for
after
the
a week.
petitioner.
After a week. Huh?
I am for the petitioner.
Mr. Land Concept for the petitioner is present. With consent, huh?
Okay.
With consent for adjournment.
Much
Yes,
obliged.
next.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged.
And Lordship, beg to mention item number 16 to 18, Your Lordship, on behalf of B. Picha, Your Lordship. He's out of station, so I'm praying for listing the matter after 3 weeks.
16 to
18, Your Lordship.
yes. Mr. Tara. 16 to 18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Listed for orders. Why?
Take it.
Let us see. It is listed for orders. It's for listed for orders. We'll see
Right.
what has to be done. Eh,
Mayor Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 on behalf of RSI.
6.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship. On behalf of
Item
RSI.
6.
Yes, Lordship.
Well, yes, Mr. Tara. Item 6.
I'm applying. For the respondent, private respondent.
Huh. So why it should be? Why it should be adjourned?
Leading counsel is out of station.
Huh?
Leading counsel is also out of
Who?
station. Mr. RSI.
On the ground that Mr. Arsakia, learned counsel for the petitioner, is out of station, comma, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the learned counsel submits that matter may be listed after, Fred,
2
that
weeks.
matter may be listed after 2 weeks. Huh?
2 weeks.
Prayer not being objected to by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent, private
Private
respondent,
respondent.
and the state council, Mr. MS, so-and-so. This matter after 2 weeks. Huh?
Obliged. Obliged, Lordship.
Where is Mr. Getty? See, there is an order by this court recusing from the case. We have not noticed yesterday. In fact, 26/3/2024. Do you have any objection
No, no lordship,
taking up this matter by this court?
no lordship. No,
You are appearing for ex Getty,
yes, lordship.
where he is?
He is unable to appear, therefore I am on behalf of,
Okay, do you have any objection to take objection
I have no objection,
taking up this matter by this court?
no objection, lordship.
Lordship, in appeal, your Lordship
Because
has.
at that point of time,
Yes.
it appears to be a similar in
Yes.
nature, but then yesterday when the matter was taken up, of course, we have not noticed this order.
Yes.
So in that case, in fact, already order has been signed.
Right.
Anyway, we'll add one paragraph saying that you don't have any objection taking up this matter by this court.
Lordship.
We'll mention this, huh? You add one paragraph, huh? After their submission, huh? After their submission. This court on 6/03/2024 has recused from the case, recused from hearing the matter in view of the fact that in the earlier round of litigation, although on a different, on a different nature of relief sought for, comma, had passed the, particularly in WA, you remember that WA, with appeal number so and so, while sitting in the division bench has authored the judgment and order that is so and so, so and so. Huh? Baba. The learned counsel for the petitioner, as well Mr. Expiati, as well as Mr. MS Arbasar Learned State Council have submitted that they don't have any, they would not have any objection for taking up the matter in view of the nature of the prayer as well as the relief sought for in the present petition. Accordingly, the parties were heard and disposed of by this. The writ petition is heard and the writ petition was taken up. Mr. Then you write.
My goodness.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I have filed this application. For the facts of the case is this, my lord. The petitioner was her father was appointed as a peon in the education department. Died on 6/1/19, and he was working since 2/11/1995. After the death of a father, the petitioner applied for the appointment of the said post of peon on the compensation ground. The respondent number 3 appointed the petitioner as MTS and PRT.
Let us see, what is the appointment order?
Annexure 3, page 26.
26. Director, same.
Same manner.
Yes.
Well, just issue notice, nothing. You are illegal appointee. Whatever
No,
may be
I'm
the
not
background.
Where I am not the illegal appointee, I was duly appointed by the authority, and I joined
Okay. The authority, the person who has appointed you
yes,
is an accused
Accused, my lord.
in the matter and he was arrested also.
Yes, my lord. Many cases have been.
Adverse issue, notice, nothing else.
arrested.
Where
No,
is
no,
this, where is the so cause? What is the termination? Terminated? Have you been
Yes, yes,
terminated?
terminated, my lord.
Where it is?
Annexure 7, page 38.
Heard Mr.
A.C. Sharma.
S.C. Sharma. Very difficult. S.C. Sharma,
Yes, AC Sarma.
senior lawyer.
Yes.
S.C. Sharma,
Yes.
learned senior counsel assisted by so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 17/05/2024, passed by the Deputy Director of School Education, West Siang District, Alo, whereby a regularization of 9 employees. Group D employee or what? These are
This is only
And,
one, my lord. Respond,
that's what. Group D employees, yes. Including petitioner. Have been terminated, has been cancelled.
so group C, my lord.
Group C employees, huh? On the ground that the appointment has been done without following proper procedure. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. G. Tagum, T. Tagum, Learned Standing Council, Education Department.
Yes, ma'am.
Enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of Regularization. No formal notice is preserved. However, accept the one land council.
my lord, I want to submit one more thing, my lord. I was appointed by due process of law. And my lord, I was illegally appointed, illegally terminated from the post. I am not praying for stay of the impugned order. My simple prayer before your lordship is this: till the disposal of the appeal, this writ petition, no one can be appointed on the post held by the petitioner. This protection may be given to the petitioner. my lord.
No, sir, this is something it'll be difficult. Not possible. We'll see.
Deeply of that.
My lord, she was appointed.
Sir, it's not a single case or whether legally or illegally. This is it's open.
My lord, it is a appointment on the conventional ground.
9 persons. 9 persons. We'll see.
Yes.
Let them.
I am not concerned with the other person. I am only
That's-
concerned with the.
That's why had it been you only who could have taken differently. We'll see. Anyway.
My lord, I was appointed in the year 2010 or 2020.
Sorry, sir.
And I
We'll
got
see.
the
We'll see.
salary.
Okay, sir.
I got the salary and everything was in my favor.
Sir, we'll see.
My,
Thank you.
my simple
thank
prayer is this: till the disposal of the petition.
We'll see. We'll see, sir. Let them file their response. We'll see. Thank you, sir.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, and the NIT was floated on 11/4/2025, Lordship, in respect of for the supply and procurement of material in respect of CD block Nacho, Lordship, by the respondent number 4. And accordingly, technical bid was opened, Lordship. And after a technical bid, 3 bidders were qualified for the financial bid. And accordingly, the financial bid was opened on 1/5/2025, Lordship. Thereafter, I being as a L1, Lordship, I've been judged as a L1 because the amount quoted by me was considered to be a L1, Lordship. Despite the fact that when we are waiting for the outcome for issue of LOI by the department, Lordship, instead of that, they have come with the order, Lordship, which is your Lordship will find at page 120, Lordship.
120.
120, Lordship.
Saying what?
Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly come to the clause 3, Lordship. Point number 3, serial number 3, Lordship.
CD block.
CD block
Nacho.
Nacho package 4, Lordship.
Hmm.
TN Enterprise, that is me, Lordship. The approved rate, Lordship. Lordship may see the last column, Lordship. Approved rate is at 0.7.3, Lordship. Minus 7.3, Lordship. And I have quoted, Lordship, minus 7.3, Lordship. And in the down below, your Lordship will find rejected, Lordship. Without even citing even a single ground, Lordship. Now the respondent number 5, that is Rizala Enterprise, Lordship will find.
Where it is?
in the next line, Lordship. In the, yes, Lordship.
Rizala.
Rizala, Lordship. That is
Responsive
L2,
form.
Lordship. Who is the respondent number 5 in the instant petition, Lordship.
Hmm.
Responsive form, it found responsive, Lordship. Approved rate is minus 7.3 and he quoted minus 7.8, Lordship.
Not 8, 08.
08, Lordship, sorry, sir.
There's a difference
08.
of 7.
The NID did not prescribe anything for the justified rate, Lordship. Even Lordship, even admitting that, Lordship, the justified rate has been approved by the.
Where's the law that even if you quoted the lowest, you will be given the tender?
There is a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. That is the.
Well, issue notice, nothing else. What is the stage? Work order has been
No
issued.
work order has been issued, Lordship.
Manrega supply of Manrega items.
Lordship.
So,
Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, let them come with the affidavit, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, in the last occasion on 6/6/2025, Lordship, in the same CD block, that is the Dapo block, Lordship, Dapo Chetam block, Lordship, they have filed a writ petition approached by citing the same reason, Lordship. This Honorable Court had issued notice, Lordship, and
I have a different view. Because you have quoted 7.30, right?
Yes, Lordship.
It's not 7.3 and 7.30 is not the same.
Lordship.
It's a huge and respondent is respondent. Rizala is respondent here.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent number 5.
Rizala is 7.08.
Lordship. Lordship,
Who is
in
the
that
lowest?
case, Lordship, in that
Who is
case,
the lowest? Who is the lowest? You have quoted 7.3.
yes, Lordship.
Right. Respondent quoted 7.08. Which one is lowest? Who is
Even
lowest?
lowest is the Rizala, Lordship. Though I have been declared as a L1, Lordship.
It's not a declaration. Well, you have quoted. It's not just a declaration.
Lordship, in that case, Lordship, may kindly come to the page number. There is an additional ground,
So
Lordship.
by on your own showing, you are not lowest.
Lordship.
Respondent number 3.
Lordship, may kindly come to the page number 40, Lordship. In
What-
that case also, Lordship, even if the respondent number 5 is the lowest, Lordship, there is a special condition prescribed in the SBD, Lordship.
We don't know.
Lordship, may kindly come to the page number 40, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Acceptance of tender, Lordship. On SOP number so and so as per CPWD manual and COP COP 5/5 for work manual 2020-22, Lordship. With additional security, if the bid of the successful bidder is seriously unbalanced in relation to the engineer's estimate of the course work to be performed,
हमको अनम्यूट कीजिए ना। अब मेरे इधर म्यूट है, जस्ट कर दो। हेलो। Hey, my lord. My lord. Am I audible, man? My lord, I will be relying on Santi Sports, my lord. 2015 SSC 705 para 43, my lord. File noting does not create any right, my lord. I cannot hear, my lord. My lord, I have submitted a judgment, my lord. Otherwise, can it be adjourned for tomorrow, my lord? I will be in the station, my lord, by tomorrow, my lord.
You should note that, huh? As Mr. T. Thakur, learned standing counsel for Standing Council Education Department and Mr. Waire Ramlan, State Council, enters appearance and accepts notice of the all the respondents, both of you, all the respondents.
I am for 4 and 5 minutes.
Yes. No formal notice needs, how by extra copies and such, huh? Now the entry prayer. Next prayer. Having considered that the impute order dated so and so has, first one, appears to have been issued, ignoring the order of this court dated 11/03/2025, passed in WPC 99 of 2025, staying the operation of the order dated 06/03/2025, issued by the Deputy Director of School Education. Insofar as the petitioner is concerned, staying the so and so order, insofar as the petitioner is concerned, and having been passed the present impute order dated 29/05/2020. Which is similar. Which is in exit in the exit on tone and tenor of the earlier order, the impute order dated 29/05/2025, issued by the Deputy Commissioner General District still remains suspended in respect of the petitioner. They list this matter along with WPC 99 of 2020.
Malad, just one, clarification, Malad.
I understand it's about to granting full relief.
Malad,
That's why we're clubbing it, that's all.
Malad, that is Malad, this earlier interim order, it was on the ground that basically on projection that there's many students has been admitted and their exam is scheduled to be held in the March till 28th March. On that ground,
How
Malad.
can you get it back at it?
That is exactly, Malad. That is what my respectful submission, Malad. Now, for the interim order, for the sake of the students' interest, Malad, that was there, Malad. Now, so far, now new academic session is start, Malad. This is up to the petitioner, Malad, to pursue the matter to get registered because it is mandatory and statutory provision under the Act, Malad. First, they should get.
You may be correct, we're not on that.
Malad.
But simply today we're on that exact ditto order has been passed.
Malad, that.
With ignoring the earlier, who is stopping you from making it, for modification and all that thing,
Malad, that we.
Modification of the interim order.
We also
Who is stopping you?
Talk with author. Only the petitioner. My concern is that petitioner they should pursue a certain document they could not
This
supply. They should,
is conscious, but then
that's why,
can't
Malad.
help it all.
That is why, Malad.
This matter is over once it is interim order is
Malad.
there. You point it out in the main.
Only my concern, Malad, because of the interim order, they may many innocent the student may get victim because basically ultimately tomorrow.
Swam, who is stopping you to approach this court for vacating of interim order?
Malad.
We'll see.
Oblige your-
As on today, that it's simply because it's that earlier interim order is operating.
Malad.
It's an exact
That's all.
replica only. Yes.
Much obliged.
My lordship,
Yes.
lordship, on last occasion, the court is directed to government to file.
Yes, I
affidavit.
remember.
Understand that, Lordship. Lordship,
Yes,
I have communicated with them,
We'll
Lordship. They
proceed
need some
to-
more time, Lordship.
we'll proceed to hear and dispose of the matter on the basis of materials available under the affidavit of the responsible authorities. Yes, you are going to matter. What is there?
Lordship, my senior is out of session, so
There is a
Lordship,
difficulty. Although this court, by an order dated 28/05/2025, has observed that in the event the affidavit on behalf of the, as directed, is not filed on behalf of the state, the court would proceed to hear and dispose of the matter on the basis of the materials available on record without the affidavit of the respondent authorities, comma, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of,
C Modi.
huh? C. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that matter may be listed after 4 weeks,
1 week, Lordship.
huh?
1 week, Lordship.
3 weeks.
After
Yes.
3 weeks, yes, Lordship.
Mr. Modi he has some personal difficulty. Mr. Considering that, no, the issue, the larger issue involved in this matter, come up. Further 3 weeks time is granted to the state, Mr. G. the senior government of the will file affidavit as a last chance,
Lordship.
list after 3 weeks. Mr. You have filed the affidavit?
Yes, such affidavit has been filed, Lordship.
M. Partilan, counsel for the.
Main
Respondent
affidavit has
4 and
been
5.
4 and 5, private respondents.
Huh?
Private respondent 4 and 5, yes.
Yes.
Main affidavit we have filed already, Lordship. There is
No,
a
no, as directed, eh?
director,
Under
Lordship.
magistrate.
Yes. Applies.
Yes,
Affidavit are ready. If they are ready, I want to submit
Yes,
my case.
yes. When dispose it of,
Petitioner husband's was initially appointed as a ALC in 1976. Just gist of the case.
finally your service has been regularized.
Yes, my lord.
Where is this?
Uh,
Where it is?
Page 37, annexure 7. My lord,
Yes. Then you have you retire or?
I'm expired. My husband is expired on
Huh?
2017. It's 2017.
Retired.
Not retired.
Retired on?
Expired.
Not retired, before retirement.
Before retirement, he expired in
Expired.
2017.
Yes. And when? Expired.
2017. 2017. And that subject is also next year.
This is by the wife. Petition is by the wife.
Yes, why claim pensions.
So what do we want?
And department has moved his file service book for pension benefit. And from the
Before retirement, you have you expire.
Yes.
before retirement, I've expired.
Your husband expired.
Yes.
Ah,
my
then
husband expired. Then, in the meantime, service book is sent for the pension benefit. Service book has been sent to the office of director.
your
Provident pension.
service has been regularized after your death, after your husband's death. Service of the your husband has been regularized after the death of your husband.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
After my husband.
For
death,
the
yes.
premium.
And to send his service book has been sent to the audit and pensions, and audit and pension has rejected it, saying he has been regularized after the NPS has arrived.
NPS when it came into force, when has been implemented.
It has been implemented 2008 January, around 2008, and he has been regularized in 2008.
Yes.
If regularization has been made in today 18. 18. Whereas lawsuit after today 8 lawsuit, the new scheme that NPS has come into.
With effect from with effect from 21/10/1983.
Lawsuit here one difficulty is here. Lawsuit. So for pension is concerned lawsuit. Earlier lawsuit there was no deductions from in lawsuit. And that is for the purpose of the service only. So for pension is concerned.
Not pension, other retired benefits. May not be necessarily pension.
My lord,
Others I think have been already given.
GPF, my lord, GPF payment has been made, my lord. My
You
lord,
have,
this
you have contributed.
yes, GPF account has been opened and GPF has been also paid.
Since when? Since when? And your service has been regularized in 2018 in pursuance of government order 2003.
Yes, my lord, 2003 as per the.
So what can we do?
My lord, here
Other
my lord,
benefits you have got.
my lord,
Have you received other benefits?
GPF has received. GPF has received.
You have received?
Yes, received payment
What
of
do you
GPF.
want now?
My lord, family pension, my lord. Family pension.
Hmm.
My lord, there is law, my lord. There is citations regarding this. My service render prior to the prior to the 2008 has to be required liable to be counted for computation of pension family pensions benefits. Now, in that regard, I have a citation, my lord.
What you are denying? Yes, what you are denying?
So see, the regular pension.
What is family pension?
That's a family pension. This benefits have been already released to the petitioner.
Family pension.
Yes, family pension.
Family pension is the issue here. The regular pension.
No, in that case, since regularized from the date of his initial appointment, engagement 1983.
That order lawsuit, some error is there lawsuit, though it's not, it's by us only lawsuit, by department. But typically it's lawsuit prior to today 8 lawsuit. That time his service was lawsuit temporary lawsuit. That time
The
there was
decision you have taken in 2003 order. Where is the 2003 order?
My lord,
Government order 16/12/2023.
my lord, that I don't have, my lord. But my lord, in it is reflected in two document, my lord. Once they have also mentioned it when service book has been sent, and appointment order or regularization order is also mentioned the same thing, my lord.
So what is your stand?
My lord, after 2008, NPS implemented. So although his service was regularized retrospectively since 1983, but then relevant after introduction of NPS, there is no provision for pension.
No, that I understand. What is that, any executive orders saying that although the person has been regularized with effect from the initial days?
My lord, page 72, annexure for government affidavit. There is one office memorandum. 14 June 2018.
Page
72. This is affidavit filed by.
type copy 73. Type
Yes.
copy.
Yes, thank.
What does it say?
Here it says that para 1, 2, 3, 3 I'm reading. As NPS is based on defined contribution, the length of qualifying service for the purpose of retirement benefit or regularization of casual laborers on or after introduction of NPS loss its relevance.
Is the NPS based on defined contribution, the
As
length
in
of
partial
qualified
contribution scheme for temporary status.
service for the purpose of retirement benefits on regularization of schedules?
This is GPF. But pension is not mentioned again. Yeah, no.
As there is no provision of GPS.
Pension is not mentioned. This is regarding GPS. GPF. This is regarding GPF. Family
It's-
pension is not mentioned.
It's favor my case.
Otherwise, department we have admitted since retrospective regularization for 1983.
Yes.
My lord. Here, my lord, GPF is for only family pension, my lord. I have already, they have already pay me for GPF, but not family pension. Family pension and GPF are interconnected, my lord. If there is a GPF, then they have to pay the family pension. And in my case, GPF has been, GPF payment has been made. And secondly, my lord, as per the government order in 2003, they have to regularize my case, but they have delayed. There is their, they have delayed in regularize my case. And if service less length of the petitioner is concerned, my lord, there is citation, my lord, which support my case, my lord. I'm sorry. My lord,
What is this?
my lord, Supreme Court, my lord, has passed the judgment, my lord. My lord, order, it is unfortunate that the state continue to take the service of the respondent as an ad hoc for 30 years. And thereafter, now to contend that as a service rendered by the respondent and ad hoc, he is not entitled to pension and pensionary benefits. The state cannot permit it to take the benefit of its own wrong, to take the service continuously for 30 years. And thereafter to contend that the employee who has rendered 30 years service, continuous service, shall not be eligible for the pension is nothing but unreasonable manner. As a state, as a welfare state, the state as such ought to not have taken such stand. In this case, the High Court has not committed any error in directing the state to pay the pensionary benefits to the respondent who is discharged after the rendering more than 30 years service. My lord, in my case, my lord, it is more than 40 years, my lord, not 30 years, my lord. And they have admittedly
See,
regularized me.
your service has been regular after coming into force of the new NPS in 2018, although it's with effect from 1983.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Therefore,
that's why, my lord, this case is supported me since I have been served, my lord, for more than 30 years, my
that
lord.
cannot.
My lord, one more, my lord. Regarding the GPAB, my lord, GPAB is only for the pensionary benefit, my lord. Family pension, all scheme, for the all scheme, my lord. Benefit, my lord. They have admittedly, my lord, payment, my lord. An account, I have an account which continue till last date, and also they have made a payment on GPF, my lord. This GPF is nowhere in the NPS scheme, my lord. This GPF is only for the all pension scheme, my lord. So they admittedly, my lord, made a payment, my lord. And moreover, my lord, they have also
Are you false under before or 20 after?
my lord,
After or before?
which, my lord?
Are you false under? Do you claim that you falls under the all pension scheme
Yes, my lord.
or new pension scheme?
My lord, all pension scheme, my lord.
How?
My lord, because I have rendered my service for
You
more
might
than
have rendered your service regularized in 2018.
my lord, 2018, my lord. That is wrong in their part, my lord. And admittedly, they have in my regularization is appointed effect from 1983, my lord. So they admittedly, my lord, accepted that I have been continuously, my lord, giving my whole time job to the service, my lord. My lord, in CCS rule, my lord, my lord, there is also provision regarding the.
And you might have worked since 1983, but then you have joined as a sweeper on 2008.
My lord, they have, that is right, my lord. But it is their decision, my lord. They changed my, earlier I was ALC, and they have made me a chokidar, and then they made me a sweeper in the last moment, my lord. After the expire, my lord. That is their wrong, my lord.
As was on 2012.
Earlier I was in the
Appointment
ALC.
order is 28 November 2008.
In Choki, and regularize me in sweeper, my lord. There is their permanent. They have done it, my lord.
Yes, this regulation, they are not talking about a regulation regarding regulation.
This regularization, petition page 37, annexure 7.
No, there is no response with regard to regulation of his services. Okay, 2511. don't know how you have done. Yes. What is the way out?
If my submission is written, the actions of the authority, that will not be in consonance with the wording. And if lawsuit see this regulation order is. This is scheduled sweeper with effect from 21/10/1983 to 25/11 to the 8 only. Whereas this order has been passed on 26 June to the 18. The regulation has been done for this particular period only. What after 25/11 to the 8, so what will happen? That part also is silenced in this regulation. Order. And apart from that.
No, it shows that his service has been regularized, right? But then, since he was a casual, it shows that 1983 he was not a sweeper. He was chokidar, ALC, something like that. He was finally appointed on 25/11/2008 as a sweeper.
ALC lawsuit, if lawsuit in the order. ALC is of 1970. 1977.
Whatever. But then his appointment as a sweeper is 25/11/2008. Right?
Here.
He joined in some December as a sweeper. But the appointment order is 25/11/2008. That's why this period of, as in chokidar, whatever, ALC, that has been regularized till he was appointed a sweeper, treating him to be a casual sweeper at that point of time. He was appointed as a sweeper, then finally by this order, entire period is regularized. Is not it?
2008 order lawsuit.
And you have clearly said so that the incumbent would be eligible for pensionary benefits as envisaged under CPW manner so and so, so and so. Date of birth, but without area benefit.
This regularization order itself is after the new scheme has come up. Today. Because 1/1 to the 8 lawsuit, the new scheme come into the. And this regulation order, the first regulation.
No, that's the reason this has been regularized. His service has been regularized since that day. Since 1983. And clearly said the incumbent was eligible for pensionary benefits. And this audit and accounts, there's no response to the regularization.
That part has been,
Huh?
The audit
That
department.
has been answered.
They have challenged lawsuit for the very reply given by the audit appraisal lawsuit.
Where it is.
This is page 43 lawsuit.
Page 43 of what?
Sorry, this is page 46 for the relief petition.
Forty-six.
46 relief petition.
Ocha, you look, we're seeking recovery also. Hmm?
So this is the opinion of the director with health insurance.
So whatever the department has sought for a recovery,
This is the understanding.
Ocha, they have not,
I think they have.
they have not sought for a
This is the
recovery.
equal order. The actions of regularization, that must be that must be recognized under the governing rules. Otherwise, the actions of the authority, that's not as per the law. This will supersede the laws, rules itself.
Which one?
No, whether he is entitled also. Because
Regularization.
regularization was done into the 8 laws. That too after the new scheme has come out. And prior to that laws. Prior, the earlier service has been regularized into the 18 laws. That also after new scheme has come out.
But with effect of 1983.
That is yellow. There's the action on the part of the department that I understood also.
That's the reason she is claiming.
Because necessary deduction loss. Had it been done at that point of time also, had it been a regular employee at that point of time also, then as per the law, this pension rules, the deduction would have been done loss. But all those deductions have been done loss. The money does not grow loss. I understood loss that typically has been created by the department itself also.
My lord, after the regulations, in such case, my lord, in like my case, my lord.
What's wrong in this? Page 46, this impute communication. You have received other benefits.
My lord,
What else you have received?
my lord,
You are seeking only family pension.
yes, my lord,
Rest, what about others?
my lord.
Have you received?
Others, my lord, no, my lord.
They are seeking recovery of 1,74,000.
My lord, that is, that must be a
Excess drawal.
GPF fund, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Net gratuity.
it's a substantial benefit, my lord. It's a substantial benefit to the family pension, my lord.
Sir, it's all right. We understand. They are saying that this is the with excess drawal of debt gratuity.
My lord, regarding the other benefit, I have no idea, my lord. But GPF has been given, my lord, which is a substantial benefit to the family pension, my lord. Which,
GPF has been given.
yes, my lord. GPF has been given, my lord.
What is GPF?
GPF is provision fund, my lord.
How you have been given?
My lord, payment has been payment has been made, my lord. GPF account has been opened and
No, you are also not clear.
my lord, regarding my lord, there is another thing, my lord, which
It's not
regarding the my regularization, my lord. In my regulation, my lord, after the regulation, my lord, the entire service I have rendered has to be counted, my lord, for family pension. That is, my lord, settled law, my lord.
What settled law? It depends on the facts to facts.
My lord. My lord, my facts, my lord, I have been rendered since.
Do you know what is gratuity, debt gratuity?
My lord.
Do you know what is GPF? What is family pension?
Yes, family. My lord, this way I'm coming, my lord, for family pension, my lord. GPF is.
What they are saying is, since you have been appointed,
yes,
after coming into force of the NPS, right? It has come into effect from new pension scheme has come into effect from 1/1/2018. 8. Your appointment is 25/11/2008, after coming into or implementation of the new scheme. Therefore, you are not entitled.
My lord, that's why my
Number
lord.
one.
Yes, my lord.
Number two, though you have been regularized,
No.
it is only for other purpose, not for all these family affairs and other GPF and all.
My lord, may I allow my lord, some citation regarding this, my lord?
What citations, sir? You just clear
My
on the facts. What do you want?
My lord, I have been render my service.
Simply saying that I have been renting for 40 years, it's not, it depends on case to case.
My lord, thereafter, based on that.
Law has
No,
not been laid down.
My lord,
I'm sorry.
my lord, based on that service, my case has been
You study,
considered
again,
and
you study the law again and come back. All right. I'm very clear. If I decide what I'm clear, you will not be getting anything.
My lord,
Before that, I would like to know what exactly you want. Where do you stand? How do you, I mean, challenge this page 46? What's wrong in this?
My lord, regarding the regularization, my lord, regularization is given after rendering so much service, my lord, period, after giving so much period of service, my lord, as regulations has been given. This is the, my lord, that is, I know, my lord, what I came to know, my lord. But, my lord, in that regard, my lord, there is a citation, my lord, regularization, my lord, even if it's after the NPS's introduction, my lord.
So in 2008 regulation order.
18.
Said condition has been given or the pension scheme that 1970 is not applicable.
Huh?
The pension, the all pension benefits under the rule in 1970. This will not be applicable to the. In 2008 regulation or it's
18.
2008.
What is that?
Page 33 of the affidavit filed by the.
No, petition.
Sorry, read petition law. Kindly please that is because.
Page 33.
Read petition law. This is the first regulation.
2008.
Today.
On the
Kindly
recommendation.
come to the condition number 3. The CCS pension benefit.
As well as allied benefits not
applicable
applicable.
to appointee in person, so and so and so and so. This the development commissioner finance government is 7011 is the law with new NPS scheme laws.
2007.
Laws.
Yes.
This notification is by the district government in respect of the losses new NPS.
The rest you have paid.
This only. The condition itself is.
We'll say you'll not be entitled all what you are seeking, but then recovery will I'll direct them not to recover 1,74,000. All right.
My lord, regarding the my
Page 33, it's very clear. Reason is very simple. It has to come into new pension scheme in force. 2008 order, page 33. You have accepted that also, of course, your husband.
My lord, that's right, my lord. But my lord, I have given so much of time to my service, my lord. So let my lord may allow me to submit some citation, my lord. But my lord, give me some time regarding for it, my lord.
You prepare and come.
Okay, my lord.
And then chronologically you make your decision, all right? When?
My lord.
This today 8 regulation order. Today 8 laws.
Yes, absolutely.
It makes it very clear laws. The whole.
But even if we reject his claim, prayer will direct not to recover.
Then it's in that line, I think it can be disposed of.
Husband has died, you are not providing anything.
Here lawsuit is very clear lawsuit.
It's okay, I understand, but then
If Lordship see the page.
Supreme Court also says, if you have already extracted the work for 30, 40 years, you have to pay retirement benefits, including family pension.
The conditions of regularization Lordship. Then you not the Lordship entitled under the whole pension scheme. This is the condition.
You tell us.
Yes, my lord.
What, I mean, the benefits, retirement benefits, or I mean, death benefit, whatever. I think it's not a retirement benefits. It's a death gratuity and all other thing. All right. You give us all those lists. How much you have received, right? He has not retired. Before the retirement only died. He has expired. Your husband has expired.
Yes, yes.
What benefits you have received? You also find out whatever you have, I mean, provided. Next week, for third. All right. We'll just give them some time. You are considerably,
Otherwise, those are.
I mean, senior lawyer now. How many years?
So, my lord, 10 years, my lord.
10 years. Is you are eligible to be elevated. Minimum is 10 years. Now we'll consider you a senior. Now I'll not give you time. 10 years.
Yes, my lord.
Please do some more hard work. Gear up.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner, after arguing the matter at some length, press for time to look into some more laws, some more case laws, as well as the benefits to place on record the benefits which has been provided to her, provided to the petitioner. Huh? List of in view of above, let this matter be listed after a week. On the next date, Mr. Dugong learned counsel to place the benefits which the petitioner has received from the department as on today. Details of the benefits provided by the department to the responsible authorities to the petitioner. You calculate and see whatever this thing, because yeah, they are saying they want to, I mean, they are seeking recovery of 1,74,000 from you. अभी like नहीं लेने का देने पड़ जाएंगे, all right? And also, Mr. G. Tarak, Learned Counsel, directed to list the details of the benefits provided to the petitioner. Next week we'll dispose it of.
Yes.
Let him have some say. Eight.
Yeah, Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Here in this case, Your Lordship, the payments have been made. Hence, this matter may be disposed of.
Close.
Yes.
You have payment has been made.
Yes, yes, payment has been made.
Heard Mr. No, Mr.
M. Kambo, on behalf of
Kambo,
this
Learned
IKEA.
Counsel appearing on behalf of
This IKEA.
Mr. D. Sakia, Learned Counsel for the petition, submits that redress the grievance, then relief sought for in this petition has been redressed by the responding authorities. Mr. therefore feels that matter may be closed. Mr. G. Tarak, Learned Standing Counsel, RWD.
Yes.
Has agreed and accepted that. No, has admitted that the in fact, relief sought for has been granted by the petitioner. No, the relief sought for has been redressed as the petitioner has been, the payment has been made to the petitioner. Payment has already been made to the petitioner as claimed. No? In view of which petition has become in process and accordingly dismissed as in process.
No,
Obliged.
Your Lordship, we have not been furnished with the extra copies till date, Your Lordship. We have not been furnished with the extra copies till date, Your Lordship.
Don't submit this submission before this court. Extra copy.
Yes, Your Lordship, I understand, Your Lordship.
Your
Next
lordship,
time, don't make a submission.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I request to member of the bar. Just because extra copies are not being furnished, don't take any excuse. Your colleague, ask them, whatever. Where to get it listed for extra copies? Yes,
your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of M. Kato.
so you have not furnished the extra copies for filing affidavit. This is
Lordship.
very,
Your lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time to.
today, do you have the brief? Do you have the brief, madam?
No, your lordship.
Do you have the file?
Yes, your lordship.
What is the matter? Tell us. Termination. Okay. No. Yes. Cancellation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this? Two cases pending, criminal
Yes,
cases.
Your Lordship.
One has been closed on FR, and other one is during his juvenility,
Yes, Your Lordship.
when the petitioner was juvenile.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Condone it, appoint it, allow. Huh?
For that, I have to seek the instructions from the department.
Why for this thing? You don't have that, you have the copy?
Yes, only,
Are you so poor? This state is so poor or what?
pardon, Your Lordship.
You cannot have that 10 pages Xerox also and send it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Make
I
it
will.
photocopy.
I will, Your Lordship.
Xerox.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'll direct you to get it Xerox and you make the extra copy yourself.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The state should make it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For litigant seeking an employment, he has been selected just because criminal cases are pending. Heard MS so learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioner. Considering the matter relates to appointment of constable, what? What is this? Appointment of the petitioner in the post of constable
Yes, Your Lordship. Constable.
under sports quota.
Sports quota, Your Lordship.
Sports quota. Pursuant to the advertisement.
Page number 16, Your Lordship.
Sports quota. Which has been, the appointment which has been cancelled due to pendency of two criminal cases, which according to petitioner has been closed. The one which is two criminal cases, one which has been closed, being filing of final report. Another appears to be during the juvenility of when the petitioner juvenile. Next para. Mr. Y represented counsel for the petitioner is directed to file the response on behalf of the state within 2 weeks without waiting for any extra copies from the writ petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is expected that since the writ petition is consists of only how many pages?
35 pages, Your Lordship. 35 pages.
35 pages. The London State Council shall arrange the extra copies as may be required by them. For litigant.
Obligation.
Much
This after 2 weeks.
Yes.
We'll dispose of after 2 weeks, right?
Yes.
Yes, how do you direct them to have a policy?
Your Lordship, that is what.
I understand,
Lordship.
there's a, I mean, the risk are also involved.
My lord,
If you force them to go for, I mean, these, the duties which they will not be able to handle.
my lord,
Emergency cases, Ayush doctors,
my lord, that is there, but so far, my lord, prescription of medicine, this is not imposed upon them, my lord. Only thing that, my lord, even all other nurses and other,
see,
my lord,
if you are, they are the doctors,
My
right?
lord.
If they allowed to, if they are directed to perform duty, they'll have to do is as a doctor. And they
My lord.
cannot survive from that. I'm a Ayush doctor, so I
My lord,
cannot feed this medicine. With emergency and all these things,
My lord.
all day,
my lord.
right?
Even your Lordship, even the duty roster, EMO
But
roster.
our hands are tied. We cannot direct them to have this kind of policy, that kind of policy. We cannot.
Your Lordship.
Consider it
My lord,
appropriately.
my lord, will consider, my lord, my
Will
lord,
dispose of the matter, direct it to consider appropriately. Will
Yes, Your
not say
Lordship.
they don't allow them to send it for
My
this thing. Right?
my lord.
If your Lordship may see even the
What
duty
do you say?
roster.
We can dispose it of. Can we?
Yes,
That can be, my lord, because so far policy decision part is the
No,
government.
no, why not? I cannot, madam, direct
No,
them to
regarding
have a
policy-
policy.
yes, Your Lordship.
We
But at
may
least-
direct them to consider and,
At least there has to be
into
some.
account that the petitioners are Ayush
Lordship.
doctor, which may have a difficulty in,
Yes.
I mean, performing duty in during the emergency and other casual, I mean, thing, which may require the other doctors.
Lordship.
Field, doctors in.
Otherwise also,
What
Lordship.
do we call it? Other doctors.
Other allopathy, my lord.
MBBS doctors.
My lord, MBBS allopathy doctor, my lord, generally what they do, my lord, the MBBS doctor is there.
So
my
you
lord.
take instruction because it's not, it's just a policy, not policy, it's a duty.
My lord.
By this time it's 2000, still you are working
Yes, Your Lordship.
on in
Since-
emergency duty.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You
Even-
come up with some solution.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Facts remains that number one, we cannot direct you to have a policy. That is not permissible.
Yes, Your Lordship. Even a
But
representation.
at the same time, you cannot force them to do the duty.
My lord.
You assign them maybe emergency related to the
Within our
Ayush,
own system of medicine,
Yes.
Your Lordship.
whatever.
Not beyond our system of medicines. At least some order, specific order has to be there. Otherwise. Because.
We can understand, we may engage you to become, I mean, to perform the duty of a judge. All right. So Friday will dispose it of.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You take instructions. I mean, the view, appraise discuss with the authority regarding the views of this, internal view of this court. They are seeking for a policy, but that may not be possible, but
We are seeking
may direct you
clarification,
to
Your Lordship.
think about it.
My lord.
Third, Enanju, MS Enanju, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. Titagul, learned counsel for the standing counsel.
Yes, ma'am.
For
health and
NRHM,
family law.
NRHM. Considering that the petitioners are Ayush doctors
Yes, Your Lordship.
and who are working in what? Under NRHM.
They are
No,
What?
primary,
we are working on the primary health centers and CHCs and PHCs. We are
Working-
Regular doctors, Your Lordship.
Working as working regular doctors.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ayush doctor working under the health department, health and family welfare,
Yes,
or
Your
what do we call health department of
But health
the-
department.
Health
in
department.
the state of Arunachal Pradesh, who claims that since they are Ayush doctors, the detailment of your duties as in the emergency and what?
EMO, yes, emergency.
Emergency duty is not in conformity with the profession of their duty. Huh? Mr. Mr. T. Tagop, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing is directed to obtain instruction. That's all. Well, list the matter on Friday. We'll dispose it on
Yes,
a
Your Lordship.
short order.
Obliged,
Unnecessary letters not keeping it pending.
obliged.
Lordship, I need some more time to file affidavit.
Why? Hey, is there dispute? Any dispute?
No, Your Lordship.
Huh? Any dispute?
We have received the instruction, Your Lordship. We are
Huh?
saying due to non-allocation of fund, Your Lordship, we are not unable to.
Non-allocation cannot be a ground. Take instruction. You have the instruction.
Yes, Your Lordship, we'll file our affidavit.
We'll list on Tuesday. You obtain instruction. Tell that the allocation of fund is not a ground to for non-payment or non-release. Tuesday.
Lordship.
Thank you, my lord.
Urge Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer, MSG Basar, R. Basar, Learned Counsel for the Learned State Council. List this matter on Tuesday is what? 17/06/2025 for instruction. Whatever instruction will pass, dispose of the matter. But you better get in return.
Yeah.
Yes. Resume 2.
Your Lordship.
Yes. What is to be done?
Hello, this matter related to land occupied by the ITBP, Your Lordship. In this case, affidavit, Deputy Commissioner and other respondent, they have filed.
Abandoned course title. You have filed the abandoned course title. Yes.
Yeah.
Why this is listed today?
Your Lordship, here we have received the summary of the award, Your Lordship.
Huh?
We have filed our counter affidavit, Your Lordship, but
Hmm.
here we have received the summary of the award, Your Lordship. We need to file additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Who is for respondent number 4?
Respondent number.
Yes. Newly pleaded.
We have already filed affidavit, madam.
You also filed.
Yes, madam.
So what do you want?
We'll file, Your Lordship, if permitted, we need to file additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Respondent number Commandant 58 Battalion ITBP.
Yes.
Present pleader.
Yes.
You have filed this.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Otherwise, my lord, rest, the affidavit on the part of the rest respondent with covered, madam.
Yes. What do you want?
Your Lordship, may kindly go through.
No, what is there? Tell
The
us.
summary of the award, Your Lordship.
Summary of the award.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So would like to place on record.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Or Mr. S. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. M. Kato, Learned Deputy DSJ, Learned DSJ, right? DSCI. GI. Huh? Deputy Solicitor, DSCGI. DSGI. Yes. MS so Learned Counsel submits that she has received the summary of the award,
Yes, Your Lordship.
which she would like to brought on record. further 2 weeks time is granted. No, not further. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks, so as to so as to enable MSP Pangulan State Council to bring on record the instruction, the summary of the award received by her by our affidavit.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, this matter will be taken after 1 week.
Why?
Because Mr. Tony Patil is going to file a writ petition tomorrow. He's going to file a writ petition tomorrow in a similar matter. So that's why after 1 week.
Who is respondent number 6? Who is respondent number 5 and 6?
Service has not been completed in respect of 5 and 6.
5, 6.
It has not been completed, my lord.
Who is respondent number 6? 5 and 6.
ADC. Rito Tarak ADC.
Huh?
ADC of Dumpori.
Okay.
6 is ADC of, and 5 is Deputy Commissioner, Daporija.
Office note that is 0906/2025 reflects that credit card in respect of respondent number 5 is returned back after closing service. However, the service report in respect of customer 6 is still awaited. In view of above, the service in respect of respondent 5 is complete, and await for the 3 weeks awaiting service upon respondent number 6. What do you say? You are filing another writ petition.
No, Mr. Tony Patil has said that in a similar matter.
Use the mic.
In a similar matter, he's going to file a writ petition tomorrow. So he might be having some similarity in the case. So that's why.
We'll see. Okay, contempt petition. This is contempt petition. Okay.
Yes, I'm going.
Yes.
In item number 14, I was supposed to file epidemic reply mail. Now, I could not contact my client mail.
On the prayer of Mr. L. Fermel and counsel for the petitioner, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit reply.
Obviously.
My lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, yes, morning I have mentioned, your lordship.
Yes.
Here, B. Picha is the living counsel here. He is out of station, your lordship.
Who?
So I'm B. Picha.
B. Picha.
Yes, your lordship.
He is out station.
Out of station, yes.
Out of station.
Yes, your lordship.
So what is why this has been listed to the affidavit of position file?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have filed.
Would like to file reply.
Yes, my lord, what had happened? I endorsed this matter to my younger. So I am doing this almost 50-60% of my cases these days. So, yesterday he called me up that I will not be here in the station. So we'll file the rejoinder. They file it.
Yes, we have already.
We'll file it. T. Tarin.
Mr.
T. Tarin.
Let his name be recorded.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. He granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent number 1. Mr. Y. Ragman, State Council is present. Yes. 16 to?
Yes.
16 to?
18, Your Lordship.
18
16 to 18
Yes,
years.
Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
But the horticulture department have filed the affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
Admitting to the fact that the loss assessment report was prepared on the basis of charge sheet filed by the IO, and they have not gone to the field and made the physical assessment. Be that as it may, this young boy, he informed me that Mr. Tamai is not here
I
today.
had Mr. Titi Taralan counsel for the petitioner. Pleadings are complete. List for admission after 3 weeks.
No, on 17. On 17.
Why?
Because there is another civil revision petition which
2 weeks.
I'm going to kindly make
2
it.
weeks, 17.
No, but make it sure that you will not praise the civil revision. Because your chamber
What
plays
is the
the
matter?
mistake.
What's your urgency?
No, no, my.
What is the urgency?
My lord, the urgency is this, my lord.
I don't know.
No,
I'm
no,
not going-
no, no, look, my lord, there's a money suit was filed on the basis of this report.
Hmm.
And great prejudice is being caused to the petitioners.
Okay.
But you know, but it is too late. Let us see. No, before that. Well, just give me a moment.
Yeah, that only the matter of date. only.
Okay, my lord, 26.
21. You have objected for 2 weeks. You are seeking 3 weeks.
No, but then,
Six,
it's a
okay.
personal difficulty. Fine, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
May I
we have
please,
filed
your
a
lordship?
stay over here, my lord. In fact, there was an ex parte stay granted. This is about an infrastructure project, my lord, which is of national importance.
Your lordship,
Because this transmission line.
Yes, sir.
Because this transmission line, my lord, will be, is required for the defense agency also.
Hmm?
This transmission line is required for the defense agency. If I can have my lord's attention to my lord order dated 7/5/2025.
IA, in IA,
My lord, in the main case, in the.
main case, 7/5.
2025.
What is that? Yes.
My lord, I believe the same issue, which is.
Award in the land of British to provide 11 kV figure line is for strategic different wing that figure Mr. As place 11 the community for the program. Yes.
My lord, the basic issue here is that we are the executing implementing agency of a transmission system, my lord, under the comprehensive scheme for strengthening of intragrid transmission system. Now, my lord, owing to it, there are multiple transmission lines which are being drawn. This particular line being one of them.
Yes.
Now, my lord, we under the Telegraph Act, we are the Telegraph Authority, we are exercising the power to erect the transmission line for which we had given adequate notice in the newspaper. We have abided by all the rules and regulations. Now, my lord, the only thing that they can claim is the compensation over there. Now, my lord, for that compensation, if I can have my lord's attention.
What do you today? Why is it listed today?
Your lordship, I'm not the conducting counsel of this case, your lordship. Mr. A. Tatak, I'm appearing on his behalf, your lordship. He has.
Mr.
A. Tatak.
Hmm.
Yes, last night he has been admitted in the medical lordship.
What can we do?
He's still in the medical
Yesterday I
lordship.
said he was not keeping
So-
well.
My lord, I'm only bringing, I don't want any relief today,
Yeah,
my
it's
lord.
okay.
I'm just bringing to my lord's notice.
We cannot help it.
Absolutely.
You fixed the day. When?
Yes.
So, my lord,
Seven,
let them, this would be the fourth time they'll be fixing the date. Let them give a fixed date because in the previous 3 occasions also it has so happened. that
No,
they-
today too, we
My-
cannot say anything.
I
It's-
agree.
it's-
I'm only trying to bring my
Medical
lord on the
cases were.
essence of the matter.
Yeah.
Whichever a fixed date may be put up to take it up for hearing because.
As agreed to by the no, we'll say, it is informed by MS.
A. Talam.
Talam Land Council for the Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Land Council for the petitioner. That Mr. Tatar Land Council has been admitted last night. Admitted in the hospital last night due to his health problem. Due to certain health issues. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after a week.
On 18, your lordship.
As agreed to by Land Council artists
Power grid corporation.
and Mr. N. Kera. No, as agreed to the parties, particularly Mr. N. Kera, Land Council for the Power Grid Corporation, come and list this matter on 18th.
June. Your lordship interim is there, so.
More than personal election party.
Well, one small observation, my lord, that 18th it may be taken up for hearing.
No, we'll see. We'll see.
Because my
We have filed the IA for
We have filed
vacating.
the
We'll see if it cannot be disposable. If we cannot dispose of the writ petition, we'll see.
The IA. My lord, that observation if in the order.
It's all right. I'll be there. This code will be there.
Obliged.
Subject to the time and situation, you never know.
Please, your lordships.
My lord, my colleague will be leading the round.
Please, your lordships. Your lordships, your lordships, am I audible?
Yes,
Your lordships, the present petition has been filed challenging the regulation 3A and 3B of the UGC online and open distance learning regulations 2020, your lordships. So, your lordships, but before going into the merits, your lordships, my IA 129 of 2025 is also listed. If your lordships would peruse order dated 5th of May 2025, your lordships.
My lord,
Why
it will
the-
be annexure 1 of the IA.
Huh?
Annexure 1 of the IA.
Annexure 1, yes, lordships.
annexure 1 of the IA.
My lord.
Lordships.
Madam, it's very difficult. Yes,
Please, your lordships, by the aforesaid order, your lordships, I was granted permission to move
better
an
stay
impeachment
adjourned today
application.
to allow the petitioner to file appropriate implementing necessary party. Yes,
Yes, your lordships, the said IA has been moved, your lordships, which is listed before this honorable court today. That is IA 129. Your lordships may issue notice and may allow me to implead these parties in the petition, your lordships.
this is for implement.
Please, your lordships. This IA is for impleadment. By this
Okay, so
impleadment application,
you are
I'm
for?
No, my lord, we are together.
Okay. Who is for
My
nobody?
lord, we had moved motion on the 5th.
Yes.
However, my lord, the honorable court was of the view that there are certain necessary parties who need to be impleaded first. Accordingly, the order on the 5th was passed, and abiding by the order, we filed this instant IA, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, the party,
Who has to be implemented?
my lord, as per the memo attached to the IA at page 13, my lord.
Just wait. Today to allow the petitioner to implement. Yes, yes.
My lord, the serial number 1 was already a party. We have to implead 2, 3, and 4, my lord, now.
Is
yes, your lordships. It's Ministry of Education,
2,
Government
3,
2, 3, and 4, my lord.
3 of them.
Ministry of Power, my lord.
Okay.
Ministry of Education.
Then, so heard Miss MS
Yuthika Pallavi, your lordships.
Utica Pallavi,
Please,
then
please.
counsel for the applicant. By application next para, the applicants Department of Education. After the, you file it immediately,
My lord,
by today or tomorrow, you file it,
we'll do that.
incorporate, then you take steps. All right?
Highly obliged, my lord. My lord, the writ may again come up for motion because it didn't go through.
It is not, notice has been issued.
My lord, it was in motion, my lord.
No notice has been issued.
No notice is issued. So,
The motion when?
my lord, after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Motion.
List the matter after 3 weeks. And the motion flow. Or motion hearing. Huh?
Motion.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged, my lord.
What is the matter?
Lordship, here, by this application, I'm checking extensions of time frame to comply the
Regulation which service as per the rules, but also have denied it. Have the respondents have denied the minimum scale of the minimum pay scale to the petitioner. Therefore, he submits that respondent authorities may be directed to regularize the service of the petitioner, considering the length of continuous service of nearly 28 years as a contingency LDC on a sanctioned post, and also to pay the minimum pay scale to the petition. Next paragraph. What is your Mr. Estafin Lalit, Senior Government Advocate? What is your stand? We'll go by this rule. Rule provides so and so it can be considered, and as per the minimum scale of pay is concerned, he is entitled for, as per the, notification. Huh?
Lordship.
He's entitled for 30, he's entitled to be paid as per the order, of 19 March 2025.
Lordship.
If he's working in a sanctioned post
Lordship.
as a skill LDC. All right.
Yes.
That will be, we'll not go into whatever you have said. Otherwise, you have denied all the thing.
Oh.
Estafin, while placing the
And so far.
recruitment rule as amended. What is this? This is something different. This Group C ministerial, lower division clerk, lower division computer operator.
Petitioner is LDC.
So before this, there was that 2011 rule will apply. Which
11 will
apply, right? And submits that. As per the general Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal Service, Group C, within bracket ministerial, within bracket common, this one, lower division clerk, lower division clerk, computer operator, data entry operator recruitment rules 2019. The out of 25% only, 15% will be, right? Out of 20% by promotion of MTS only. 15 skill consists of limited department. examination. Very difficult. In case of recruitment by promotion, public deputation, public transfer, grades from which transfer 25% of the vacancies of LDC shall be filled up from amongst the skill contingency staff with minimum 12 years of continuous service as a skilled contingency in the Department Public Office and the department, and possess educational qualification of +10 pass, +12 pass certificate from a recognized board or institution. That is in column 11, in B. You just read this one, B. Therefore, since the petitioner claims to have been serving since more than serving for more than 27 years. His case can be considered as per the recruitment rule 2019, so rules 2019. So far as the claim of minimum pay of skill, he submits, placing the copy of the order dated 19/02/2025. He submits that as per the said order of the government, the minimum rates of wages in respect of various categories of unskilled and skilled contingency employees, public casual workers, etc., under the government of Arunachal Pradesh has been enhanced. The skilled contingent employees who has put in about 25 years would be entitled to rupees 31,000 per month. Accordingly, the petitioner should approach the competent authority for payment of his wages in terms of the said order listed. Next paragraph. Consider the submissions of learned counsel to the parties and also peruse the relevant rules, materials, including the relevant rules. The General Arunachal Pradesh Barber the non-ministerial common recruitment amendment rules 2011 reflects that 75% of the post of LDC no, 75% post of Group C non-ministerial post shall be filled up by a direct recruitment, 25% shall be appointed from the serving contingent staff who have put in a minimum of 20 years and more, 20 years and more continuous service. The latest rule being the General Arunachal Pradesh Service Group C, so and so, 2019. However, provides that in case of recruitment by promotion, public deputation, public transfer, the post of LDC, 15% of the vacancies of LDC shall be filled up from amongst the skilled contingency staff with minimum of 12 years of continuous service as a skilled contingency in the department and possess education qualification of class 12 pass certificate from a recognized board or institution. The same thing. Huh? It is also placed on record, which this court has taken note that by an order dated 1903-2025 issued by the Commissioner within bracket Finance bracket plus Government of Arunachal Pradesh, the minimum rates of wages in respect of various categories of unskilled and skilled contingency employees have been enhanced, which interiorly shows that the persons, the skilled contingency employees who have put in more than 25 years would be entitled to rupees 31,000 per month. Next one. It is an admitted position that the petitioner was appointed as contingency LDC within bracket scheme on 08/08/1997 and is continuously serving since then, without there being any consideration for regularization or payment of the minimum scale of pay which the petitioner is entitled to. Mr. It is also clearly, it is reflected clearly that the petitioner has been appointed against the sanction post, which has been by government order number PPT oblique then bracket capital B bracket close 32/95 dated 30/06/1997. Having considered the provisions of the recruitment rules. As recruitment rules within bracket, supra, bracket clause. The petitioner, the case of the petitioner ought to have been considered initially, firstly, under rule so and so 2011, as the petitioner had completed 20 years in the year 2017. 17 before coming into force of the so and so rules 2019, List. The respondent authorities, if not considered under rule so and so 11, the case of the petitioner ought to have been considered as per so and so rule 2019. Let us do one thing. When you first read that rule 2011 here in short, and then rule 2009 in the initial first when you write it. Mr. It is not disputed that the case of the petitioner has not been considered under either of the two rules which the petitioner is entitled to. Listen. It is also not disputed that the petitioner has not been granted the. I think by this order, this is March 2025. You should get it, I think. How can you be deprived? This order as per this enhancement of this thing,
Yes.
monthly wages.
This
I
March,
think you have not obtained any instruction. Yes, mister. I think, have you asked the client that whether you are being paid as per this latest order of the government? You have no idea. In that case, we will say, since they have already decided to enhance the pay, he will be entitled. If not paid, he may approach the authorities in terms of this
in terms
order.
of that order.
We'll say that. All right. Last. Next one. Considering the above, come on. I'm of the considered view that the petitioner is entitled to be considered for regulation of service in terms of the applicable
My lord, in
rules.
the year 2014, he was receiving
Huh?
in the year 2014, he was receiving 18,000 only. Pay scale is NX.
Anyway, what is it? List of accordingly, it is directed that the respondent authorities shall consider the case of the petitioner for regulation and the post of LDC.
This is the pay.
LDC in accordance with the rules.
The 2023, October 2023, 18,000.
In accordance with the rules mentioned, in accordance with rules
Yeah.
as referred to here in above. List of.
That's up to 2023 only.
This is 2024, 25. The order is of this
March
government order is March 2025. We'll see. So far as the pay enhancement is concerned, since the government has issued an order. Where is that order? On 19/03/2025, enhancing the minimum rates of wages, internally providing that the contingency still contingent employees would be entitled for 31,000 rupees, 31,000 per month. It is provided that the petitioners, it is directed that the petitioners will approach the respondent authorities for payment of his monthly wages in terms of the order dated 19/03/2025 from the date of coming into force of the said order. If not already paid. If not already paid, huh? Then in the last, it says, it's okay. That's it. The rate position stands disposed of in terms of the above. Huh?
27.
Yes,
My lord, the petitioner is challenging the FIR dated.
okay, so you are seeking adjournment. You have sought for an adjournment, Moni.
Yes, your lord.
Now I'll grant you an adjournment.
All right.
This will, it is good. Request for an adjournment now. Yes, well,
Next week.
Next week, your lord.
next week.
Yes.
You think about it, the allegation is for, decision of the Keba by head Gaubura. Is not it?
That has been posed, that's
Gaubura, who alleged to have, changed the decision unilaterally. How the criminality? It's alleging fraud or what? Or what?
because that has been already pronounced and I think it's even videographed also.
But then, your lordship, the decision that was rendered earlier, your lordship, it was not rendered by the Gaumbura. One of the drafting committee member, he wrote the decision.
Read out.
Yes, your lordship.
Who
And that is,
who has to read out?
yes, your lordship.
Who has to pronounce the judgment?
The Gaumbura, your lordship,
Not the
not the drafting committee
drafting committee.
member.
So we'll see. But I find this is, not that.
The main issue would be, we are not on that.
I find it very unnecessary. Unnecessary, indictment. You are still in the Gaubura.
Yes, your lordship, there's a stay order.
The criminal case, you should have been removed. The moment the FIR is registered.
But then, your lordship, that FIR could not have been registered, and even then, your lordship.
Why are you saying the judges, the act will apply?
Because, my lord, after coming into act.
Will
the
not
Civil
go into
Code
all
Act,
these
your
things.
lordship, I'm
Will not go into this. I doubt it may not apply.
My lord, after coming into, one of the grounds of our challenge is that after coming into act of the Civil Code Act, your lordship, the,
Judges Inquiry Act.
yes, no, Judges Protection Act, your lord. 1985, that will apply to us, your lordship, since we are functioning as a court.
But then when you, as a Gaubura, when you
But then, your lordship, after.
have not done as per the provisions,
Yes, sir.
how do you seek a protection?
My lord, I was appointed in terms of the AFR, your lordship, and then after coming into act of the Civil Code Act, your lordship, the village authority has now given the given as, has been considered as a customary court, your lordship.
It's all right.
And then, and this,
We'll see
yes,
next week. Huh?
yes, your lordship.
Uh, on the prayer of M.S.D. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and prayer not being objected to by Mr. Estafin Learned Senior Government Advocate, list this matter after a week or after 2 weeks.
After a week, your lordship, this can be disposed.
We'll make it 2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.